would have been here months ago.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, what was I gonna say? You know, there's always the off chance we have a lousy, an easy winter,
Yeah,
and you can always make the appointment and then cancel and change it. That's fine. A lot of people do that, so.
I don't know the first appointment that I canceled. I don't know when that was, but.
Did we get snow, or you had to cancel because of
Ice
snow?
or something.
Okay.
I'm not afraid of snow.
You're a Florida girl, aren't you?
Well, I was. Came down there with his family.
Yeah.
He learned to drive on our vehicle.
Oh,
He put the first 40 miles on my Crown Victoria.
your Crown Victoria.
Yeah, he did. 40,000. Well, that's what I think of the kid. Yeah.
Now you say Crown Victoria, I think a police car.
Well, yeah. I think at one time when they were. And I am wondering if I am related to the police chief. His last name is Sturgis, and he's from Iowa. And I need to stop in and find out if we're related.
The police chief where?
Golden Valley.
Oh, I did not know that.
Uh-huh.
You will.
Ready.
Okay.
Yeah, he's told me how he found out about you.
Yeah, how was that?
Excuse me?
How did he find out about
Because
us?
of you, the work you were doing on.
On YouTube?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
I was not aware that how he found my name.
yeah.
Okay,
That's what he told me.
okay.
Because he watched you. And like he said, he wish he would have done it before, but he just didn't know about it. And because he tried every other way to get his nails okay.
Mm-hmm.
And
Well, you guys could have carpooled over today,
I know.
if you'd known.
What time was he here?
In the morning, sometime before lunch. You know, it's all a blur to me. I don't look at the clock, but
Okay. But, yeah, he could have taken me out for breakfast.
Next time.
I know. Yeah. Instead of me taking him. No, he's doing his own now. How come that toenail is black?
well, this toenail, just because of how that toe is kind of curved in a little bit, for
Okay.
its whole life has been getting shoe pressure.
Okay.
So that's why a lot of people whose toes are normal looking get a thick baby toenail. And all that means is that it's got a little bruising underneath it. The black here is nothing to worry about.
Yeah, because you know what? It doesn't hurt.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna thin those out and then we'll take care of the calluses.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna tip you back here a little bit more.
Oh, sure.
Now, can you reach down to your feet to get lotion on them?
I don't know.
Because your feet are really, really
Oh,
dry.
at home? Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you lotioning them every day?
No,
Okay.
but I will.
Okay. Yeah,
I will.
especially in the winter. I mean, we're almost done with winter, but it's really important.
Oh, yeah, I can do that, hon. And I just had a shower and I didn't do anything because
Okay.
I didn't have time. But yeah, they are dry, absolutely. Did you know that father is a nurse?
I did not.
Yeah, he's an RN out at the VA. And he's, works in telemetry.
Now, is he gonna be okay if all you're talking about him by name is on the YouTube channel? If he's a fan?
I wonder. But my name, I didn't say anything? Did I say Che? I said but,
Yeah, I can edit it out. That's fine.
okay. Gosh, I should shut up.
No, that's fine. You can just say my grandson.
Well, we're both very happy with you, so.
Well, good. It makes
Yeah.
me happy.
Yeah.
All right, scoot this one over a little bit. You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
And the reason I made my appointment for today was that I normally serve at church on Tuesday,
Mm-hmm.
but because my sinuses were so terrible, I didn't go in.
Oh. Now, have you seen a doctor for that?
Yeah, and he just retired last week.
Oh, no.
I know, and I've seen him for 40-some years.
Oh.
But my grandson's mom and I are just figuring out what I should do.
Is it allergies? Because,
You know, I'm not allergic to anything, I'm just sensitive.
yeah, because right now is the time of the year where all the mold that's been sitting under the snow and all that's...
Do you know, I just heard about what you just said about snow the other day.
Mm-hmm.
I did not know that.
Okay, so this
Between
should
that
hold
little
your...
toe, I got that. Between that little toe over there, I think I got that corn.
Right here?
Yeah,
Oh, you do?
I always do.
Okay. That one's gonna be hard to video, but, yeah, so a lot of people do get allergies this time of year just because of all the dead leaves and mold and
Yeah,
dead stuff
And
kind
you
of
know-
getting up into the air.
and my home is full of it because my furniture was in a storage for years.
Your what was?
My furniture was in a storage
You have
for
lots of mold?
years. Yeah, yeah. I've got 2 air purifiers. I have air conditioning, but it's too early for that.
Do you have socks on today?
No,
Okay. All right, well, thank you for letting us video.
my pleasure. I'm